Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome crashing issue on iPhone. So guys, if you want to use Google Chrome on your iPhone but it keeps crashing, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general and then software update, and from here update your device to the latest version if there is any update available for you like this. So I simply do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go to App Store, and from here you have to search for Chrome and update your Google Chrome to the latest version. So as you can see this, you have to simply tap on update button and update your Google Chrome to the latest version. So guys, wait for some time until it updates. So guys, once it is updated, now go back to your home screen and go to Google Chrome and open it again. So guys, check this, and if it is still crashing you have to simply restart your device for one time. So I simply restart your device, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.